Hi, we are here at New Use Energy, and here we have the SunCase 3651, the latest offering from New Use Energy. This is a great product about bringing power where you need it, when you need it. The 3.6 kW inverter inside, as well as the 5 kilowatt hours of batteries, allows you to bring storage wherever you would like and AC power whenever you want. Further, this has a 1.7 kW PV input, so up to 1700 watts of PV can be added to this unit with its all-in-one inverter charger inside, allowing you to bring power and charge from the sun as well. There is a DC only capability of this unit. This is where we're powering up the unit, and from previous demonstrations, she's still cooling herself off a little bit. Down below, we've got our 3 different USB plugs, as well as our charger down here. Finally, we also have our DC 12 volt output. Retraction and deployment of the handle is done simply by pressing these 2 red switches into the inner position and sliding the handle down. You'll know it's locked in place when you can no longer lift it, and there's an obvious space in between. A partial deployment, you can see that there is not enough space, and when it clicks into place, these handles move out. When you're looking to understand how much power is being drawn out of the system, it's a very simple button push here in the center. This is what allows you to see not only your state of charge, but also be able to see exactly how many amps are being drawn out of the system, the voltage, and a very nice way of just understanding exactly how much power you're drawing out of the system. In this example, we do have up to 2,000 watts of lights already connected to the system. With a simple push of the AC switch after doing the DC switch, there's about a 5-second delay from the time we turn that system on to when the lights come on. So this is a very easy way to bring power wherever and whenever you would like. If you have a small cabin or you are just looking to be prepared, this is a great way to bring together a chargeable system that can be kept in the closet or easily toted from one location to the other. And with the hexapod style panels from New Use Energy, you can easily bring PV charging, or even traditional panels can be mounted and used with this system. If you'd like to know more, please check us out at newuseenergy.com. Love to help you find what is the right SunCase or other New Use product that's going to match your application needs.